Okay, so you guys, how'd you feel about that Penelope video? I thought it was cute. I thought it was really funny.
It was adorable.
I thought it was Penelope.
Yeah, and this Ruby Cutie too.
What kind of name is that? P.S. You're not pretty and you're not
You're
smart.
not pretty and you're not smart.
You're
can't sit
probably
with that.
a man. You're probably really a
Probably.
man, and you probably weigh
Very-
500 pounds.
Yeah, probably.
Or you're a bearded lady.
And you can't
You
even
take your pick.
spell.
Yeah, embarrassed. Embarrassed with
Get
an
a
E.
dictionary.
And yourself,
Ruby Cutie. You're
one
not
word.
even cute. And Wicked Lover.
You
What is
wish
that?
you wish
You
you were a
wish.
wicked
Get off
lover.
YouTube, you
Wish.
loser.
You're a lame lover.
And yay clapping.
What is your name? Because you think you should catch the clap.
Make it clap. Quit singing Soldier Boy. It was already a hit. You suck.
And Death 25. Why don't you die already?
Yeah, 25 years ago, you should have croaked.